Hey there, welcome back to my channel English with Loreen to taste the sweetness of English language. There's one more thing before we get started. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure hit the button down there, turn on notifications so you never miss any English lessons where you taste the sweetness of English language. So let's dive into today's lesson then. In this lesson, we are going to learn about will be, B-E-I-N-G-B and B-E-N-B as full verbs. When we talk about will be, it can be used with singular and plural subjects. Here you don't want to worry about the number of the subject. Number means whether the subject is singular or plural. It's very easy. What you need to do is you need to just use will be with singular or plural subjects. Now I'm going to give you some examples. I will be busy tomorrow. My grandparents will be with us for a week. Peter will be at the party tonight. It will be raining next week. They will be happy to see you. The cake will be ready soon. It will be sunny tomorrow. I'll be there in a minute. It will be a long journey. He'll be the captain of the team. It will be a busy day at work. The trains will be late today because of the bad weather. The subject of each sentence is either it's singular or plural. Hope you have understood this point well. It means the way of using will be as a full verb when we talk about be verbs. When we talk about will be, it too can be used in positive, negative, positive interrogative and negative interrogative forms. If you want to know about the way of forming these four forms, you can refer my previous videos and get a sound knowledge about that. I'll give you one example here. Positive. The flowers will be in bloom in the spring. Negative. The flowers won't be in bloom in the spring. Positive interrogative. Will the flowers be in bloom in the spring? Negative interrogative. What's the flowers be in bloom in the spring? With these examples, you can understand the way of using will be to in these four different forms. Yes. Now let's talk about B-E-I-N-G-B and the way of using it as a main verb or a full verb in sentences. Let's note some examples first. After that, I'll explain you the way of using being as full verbs in these sentences. Steve was being nice to the baker. I was being selfish yesterday. When you move to these two examples, you say that is and was to have been used together with be. Listen well. Those two, is and was, they have been used there to show the tense. When we move to the example, Steve is being nice to the baker, there it shows that sentence, it shows that this sentence is in present form. The other one, I was being selfish yesterday, means that sentence, it belongs to past form. So with this, you can understand that is and was, they are there to help us to identify the tense. So they are not any main or full verb there. Is and was, they act as a helping verb. Hope you have understood this point well. If you have any question using these two, I request you to refer my previous videos. Then after that, I'm sure the doubts you have here, they will be cleared out. So in these two sentences, you say that being, it remains without changing, together with is and together with was. Right? Because of that, we say being, it has been used as a full verb in these sentences. Let's move to be and the way of using it as a full verb. I'll give you some examples first. They have been generous. It has been very useful. She has been rude to her friends. In these three examples too, you can see that be, it's used with has, have, and had. What's the reason? Why is that? You may have some questions in your minds while you're watching this, right? Yes, what I have to say is be, it acts as a full verb here, or a main verb. That's why it doesn't change. Has, have, and had, they show the tense and the number of the subject which is used. Yes, if you have any questions in your mind, don't worry about that. It's natural. When we watch something we don't know more about, normally it happens. What you want to do is stay tuned with Ines with Loreen to be updated and get to know more information about the lessons which have already been discussed. I want all of you to refer my previous videos. With them, even you can identify the way of using be verbs as full verbs. Yes, I hope today when you have got some knowledge, the way of using will be, being, and being as full verbs in different sentences. So I hope you've learned something new with today's video too. Catch you later. Bye.